Hello YouTube, this is a 2005 Honda Pilot and I am changing out the front brake pads. I got my C-clamp and I have a 12 millimeter socket. This is what you use to take the caliper off. As you see, I already have the tire off, so there was no need to make a video to include the tire. So if you're watching the video, you already know how to take the tire off. Alright, so let's get started. Now it's time for the old C-clamp, so I can put my piston in. And that is it, my friends. It took, what, about 4 minutes? I'm done.